F1 motor racing, we can't all be professional race car drivers, but now we can drive like the pros. Fox 40 auto expert Nik Miles showed us this new Mercedes that packs track tech into a street car.
This vehicle is the Mercedes-AMG C63S. It's the best that Mercedes has to offer, and this vehicle wouldn't actually be possible if it wasn't for the Mercedes-Benz F1 team, Lewis Hamilton, the women and men who work on that F1 team, and the AMG crew at Mercedes-Benz, because this vehicle is ultimately one of the most funnest vehicles to drive. Now, I don't have an F1 track to test it on. I do, however, have city streets, and I'm gonna have to exercise some self-control. And if you know me, that's gonna be really hard when the vehicle you're in can do this.
Let's be frank, $105,690 MSRP is not a commuter car, but it doesn't stop me being overly excited about it. The starting price is $77,500, and add in a $5,450 brake package and 17 other option features, and you get that price up by $28,145 of extras and clear the $100,000 mark.
So what do you get for that price tag? Well, you get one of the most amazing machines on the road today. In fact, it's so amazing to drive that I have cancelled my meetings for the rest of the day, and I'm just going to drive this car.
The cost of a Mercedes-Benz F1 car is around $7 million, so I guess I shouldn't be moaning about the cost of one over $105,000. That feeling and sensation of driving this car is like the feeling you get in your tummy while on a roller coaster.
Now, what I wasn't expecting is the amazing drop in my stomach and the sound as I put my foot down. Holy hell!
Over the last 10 years, the Mercedes C63 has become a go-to car for those that want the combination of track and everyday driver. It competes with the BMW M4 M3 and the Audi A4 RS.
Now, the C63S has extended front arches and extended rear arches in this vehicle, which are unique only to the coupe body style of the C63S, and they make the vehicle look a lot more aggressive and meaner. Under the hood, a 4-litre V8 bi-turbo, and this is handcrafted at the AMG factory. This particular engine was put together by Salim Urka. Every single engine gets the nameplate if it's handmade at the AMG factory by the person that made it.
Just a reminder, the C63S does 0 to 60 miles an hour in around 3.7 seconds, has 503 horsepower, starts at $77,500-ish, and the one I've been driving was over $105,000.
For Fox 40.